Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create organization chart in Microsoft Word. Here you see we have a different type. As you see, you can make it 3D. Also you can change its color as you like. Also we have different types. If you want to create a professional organization chart, watch to the end. Let's do it. First I delete this one. Okay, from home go to insert, then add smart art. Then here you can select it. Here we have different types as you see. For example, I selected hierarchy and I selected this type or this type. Okay, now I delete this one, and from here okay, then from this arrow you can add more shapes also. Also from design, here also you can add shape, more shape. This one, more shape. This one, more shape. Okay, as you like. This one at shape, this one at shape. Okay, now you can change its shape. For example, I select this type, this one. It's up to us. Okay, now if I want to add text, for example manager. Okay, now if I want to change its color, for example this one. Okay, also here you have different options. Okay, I change it to 2D, this type. Also you can change color one by one from home, and or right click, change its color. That's all. Have a nice time.